Hello folks, in this video I'm going to share how I created my portfolio website in React. Let me show you. Yeah, first of all you can see the loading component. After some delay you can see the celebration which is redirected to the home page, and then after that I also added a GitHub label like still experimenting part. When you hover this hire me button, as you can see some purple light outside of that button. This is a floating image. Let me go through down. It's text stack contact form. Let me show you. Suppose, hey dude, when you click on send button, as you can see the toast pop up on right side of top button. Okay, so when you click this button, you can redirect it to the top part, means bottom to top toggle button. As you can see on the project section, I also made it some project. There's a little bit hovering. You can see this is out features. I already hosted this CV website in Vercel deployment part, and also you can find this project in GitHub. I will add the repository of this particular website in the description section. If you have any queries, any related problems, and any feature you want to update, any UI part, so you can just comment down below. I will go through it. Let me show you. Yeah, this is a portfolio website. When you click on this button link, you will directly redirect to my website. Yeah, this one. Yeah, great. This is the experience section. It's fully responsive website. Let me show you. As you can see, so there is bit some bug in different screen section. So if you find some bug, just raise an issue. If your issue is good for this particular website, I will merge your PR. You can also use this website external website and add your